Welcome back to a brand new tutorial on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your brand new iPhone 15 easily and simply. So firstly, here is my iPhone 15. I'm going to change this to green because I've got a brand new green iPhone 15. I'm going to take it out of the box exactly like this, and I'm going to hold down the power button firstly to turn it on. We'll then see the Apple logo as per normal, and I'd recommend at this point having your old iPhone, aka mine's right here, just so you're ready to do data transfers. Select your language, select your region, select your default text size appearance, and then it will say looking for devices nearby. So open up your old device, and then your old device will say this: set up new iPhone, select continue. Put my old iPhone over this one, wait for the green to appear, getting things ready, just a moment. And then all of my data is transferring from my old phone right here to my new phone right here, my brand new iPhone 15. Now this may take a few moments, so I'm going to leave it here while this happens. Select your Apple ID on your old phone and select continue. Enter the passcode on your other phone, like that. Choose your Wi-Fi network. And then pretty much you are done. It will do a software update as you can see on screen right now. And then you're able to use your iPhone. It'll ask you to set up your Face ID, so just follow the instructions. And then it will say, do you want to transfer over all of your data from your old iPhone, including apps and photos, or just some? I personally opted to send over some of the data because I wanted to start my photo album from fresh. And I also wanted to re-download all of the apps fresh because I didn't want to have any apps that I don't use on my new iPhone. And as you can see right here, this is my current setup, just the basic standard wallpaper along with all of the different apps on the screen. But if you were slightly confused about how to transfer over data from your old to your new phone, or how to set up your brand new iPhone, pretty much I hope this has helped you out. Once you get past the software update phase, you are on the home stretch.